The Piper Reservoir System is an affordable solution that takes the place of traditional retention and detention systems by moving them underground. Parking lots, playgrounds, and athletic fields are just a few applications that could be built directly over the Piper system on the newly reclaimed land. The Piper Reservoir System has been subjected to vigorous laboratory and field testing by a third-party testing agency to verify H20 and HS20 loading capabilities. The patented Piper Reservoir System is created with 4-inch corrugated pipe, manufactured in the United States from 100% recycled plastic. The pipe has holes and slots that allow water to move through the system. In 1997, the company patented a technology to band a series of pipes together, creating a bundled pipe unit, or BPU. The pipes become tremendously stronger than an individual pipe when bundled together. These BPUs are assembled to form cubes. The cubes come in 3 different sizes. The first cube size is Piper 424. The second cube size is Piper 90. The third cube size is Piper 1890. These 3 sizes provide engineers great design flexibility to overcome site constraints. The cubes have 96% void space, allowing the system to fit into a smaller footprint than other systems. This saves contractors time and money during installation. Piper systems may vary from 1 to 10 BPU layers high, or 8.5 to 86 inches tall. The systems arrive at the job site ready for installation. They are placed adjacent to one another in an excavated hole to form a chamber. Each chamber is then wrapped with either a permeable liner, allowing water to leave the system while preventing the surrounding soils from entering the system, or an impermeable liner, which retains the water for controlled release. Water enters the system through inlet structures or downspouts throughout the property, where it is then channeled through a pre-filter, specified by the design engineer, such as a baffle box, inlet filters, trash guards, or sumps. Water is equally distributed into the chambers of the Piper system through a manifold after the pre-filter system. Pipes are connected anywhere to the Piper system by cutting a hole in the geotextile liner and pulling it over the pipe, or using standard pipe liner boots. Emergency overflows can be added anywhere in the system in the event the system reaches full capacity. Maintenance is performed by cleaning the pre-treatment device specified by the engineer, or through maintenance and inspection ports that can be installed anywhere throughout the Piper system. Vac trucks access the Piper system through the maintenance and inspection ports. Water is pumped into the system to suspend fine particles which are extracted from the system. Here are a few different system options. 1. Infiltration system. Where the in-situ soils allow, water enters the system and infiltrates into the ground, recharging superficial aquifers. 2. Detention system. Water enters the system and is discharged at a controlled rate through a control structure designed by the engineer. 3. Combination reuse system. A portion of the Piper system is wrapped with an impermeable liner to create a reservoir where water is stored for reuse. The water can be used for irrigation systems, washing vehicles, flushing toilets, fire suppression, and more. Water that is not reused can now safely be discharged to the aquifer through an infiltration portion of the system or downstream to a receiving water body. The Piper Reservoir System increases project ROI by reclaiming land and water, overcomes site restraints with its flexible design, and saves clients money by having the lowest installed costs in the industry. It's no wonder why clients all over the United States have trusted the Piper Reservoir System for their underground storage demands.